This is Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon. So here we are again on my Shopify admin page, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily customize your Shopify store. This is the first Shopify window of admin page that you guys will see. Just simply click on online store and this will open a new window here where you will see the current store that is live right now with all the details. Simply scroll down a little and here click on these three dots and make a duplicate copy of your current store so that all the changes you make is on a safe side on a duplicate theme and you're not changing anything in your current live store. Just wait while it made a copy of your current theme. This is gonna take some seconds. See, the copy has been made. Just simply click on customize. And here it opens another window which is fully customizable, and here you can edit and customize your whole Shopify store which is live right now. From here you can select different pages and all, and here you can completely edit the home page, and in theme seconds you can edit the color schemes, the preloader image of your website, and even the typography of your store, how the fonts are going to appear. And in journal settings, you will see all the journal settings about your store, and there are many other settings as well. You can completely customize all the things that you want from here. And after customizing from header, you can change the logo image and all. And in fact, you can edit one by one sections as well on every page. And after you think you have made all the changes that you want, just simply recheck your changes and click on publish. This will publish this theme as your current live store. So this is how you can customize your Shopify store. For more related videos of e-commerce, subscribe to our channel or press the bell icon so you never miss any update.